And when I first saw them, I thought that they reminded me of the Gucci Marmont Sandals, and they are so pretty. I so love this color. They wanted to raise the prices on this. Like, people were really trying to get $200, $150. You see, it comes up to like right here, my hip. I have these Gucci Kika Web sandals, and the soles are hard. My name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for You, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So in today's video, I have a Coach unboxing. These are some things that I got for my birthday. My birthday was May 18th, and I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. Now, I did open this stuff already, but I'm redoing it for you guys and for those of you who may still be interested in getting some of these items. I'm going to be unboxing the Coach Jada Sandals in 2 colors, and also the it's already sort of unboxed, the strawberry coin purse, I think they call it. The Coach strawberry coin purse, and I'll be showing you a little bit more of this a little bit later. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in, an all black box, and it says Coach on the front, and then on the side of the box it has the Coach horse and carriage, and yeah, all of that good stuff. So I already opened it already, so the packaging is not perfect. I wasn't able to get it back how it was, but it's sort of decent. So these are the Coach Jada Sandals in the color chalk. They are leather. I got them in a size 7. Now, when I went on the website, I was a little confused as to which size I should get, because people were saying that it was running big. People said that if you have a narrow foot, that when you put your feet in them, there's a lot of space. So I wasn't sure how much I should size down. In sandals, I can wear anywhere from a 7 to a 7.5. And in regular shoes, I can wear from a 7 to an 8. It depends on how it's running, but mostly with sandals, 7 to 7.5. I normally get a 7 to 7.5, so I said, you know what, I'm just gonna go with a 7. I don't ever get 6.5. Every now and then I might, if like they're all out of the other sizes. But yeah, I decided to get the 7, and I was so happy when they came because they fit. So I'll tell you a little bit about them. These are some thong sandals, and when I first saw them, I thought that they reminded me of the Gucci Marmont Sandals, and I had wanted to get those for a while now. I was like, I wasn't sure if I wanted to get them because the Gucci Marmont Sandals are pricey. They're not cheap. They are not cheap. So I'm like, When I saw these though, I was like, those are a good dupe for the Gucci Marmont. But I'm gonna tell you the difference in them. So with this one, these are thongs, and they are leather, but it's only this part, this strap here and this strap here. The soles are not leather, which I really, really wish they would have made them leather, because I feel like the shoe would last a lot longer. They have the gold hardware here, and then on the inside it says Coach in gold. And I don't know, I feel like after a few wears it's probably gonna wear out, like the stamp on it. And then underneath, I wore these already, so that's why they're dirty. I wore them to my trip to Syracuse. Underneath, they just have the CC logo under and everything else, and the soles are rubber, and then there's just some stitching along here. So with the Gucci ones, the platform is like hard, I believe, and I'm not sure if they're leather or not. I'm gonna put a picture here, and I'll do some research. I'll put in the caption if the Gucci soles are leather or they're just a hard plastic, because I'll show you some Gucci ones I have now. I have these Gucci Kika Web sandals, and the soles are hard. I don't remember if the Gucci Marmont soles are hard, but these are definitely going to last. And then that's the underneath of them. So for these, the soles are really cushiony, so that's really, really good. And then it's rubber on the bottom. It's not leather on the bottom or anything like that. But for Coach prices, you cannot complain. These are currently running for $99.99 or $99. I happen to get them on sale. I think they were doing a sale where you buy two and you get a certain percentage off. So I'm pretty sure I ended up paying like $79 for each of them. Plus, you guys, this is how I get discounts on a lot of my name brand stuff. If you sign up for Rakuten, which I'll tell you more about towards the end of the video, you can save on things that you have been like probably already, stores that you probably have already been shopping at. I'll tell you a little bit more about that at the end of the video, but definitely watch all the way through so you can learn how to save money on designer items. So these are the Coach Jada Sandals, and they are in the color chalk, and I just thought they were so pretty. I could not figure out which one to get, whether I should get this one or black. Normally people is like, okay, just get black so it could go with everything, but I really needed some sandals that were this color, and I also have a bag to match, but I'll show you that a little bit later. So these are another pair that I got. I couldn't figure out which one to get. It was my birthday, so I also got them in black, and I'll show you them. These are them in the black. So again, these are thong sandals. I think I did wear these on my birthday, but they don't look so dirty. I literally came back home to change out of them because it was so cold that day. I thought it was gonna be warm, but it wasn't. It's leather on the straps, and then the soles are faux leather, and then it's just the rubber soles on the bottom. Same thing, gold hardware, and the Coach logo stamped on it. So I will keep you updated as to if this logo ends up, you know, wearing out. Most of the time they do. Even on some of the Gucci sandals, the logo will wear out. So yeah, I'll show you how they look on me so that you can get an idea. But again, they are recommending that if you have a narrow foot, size down. I have a narrow foot. I ended up sizing down about a half a size to one size. I'm really not sure because again, I told you I wear 7 to 7.5, and I got these in a 7. And they fit perfectly. They weren't too big, nothing like that. So I'm gonna show you how they look on me. These are a close-up of the sandals, which are so pretty. They're so sleek. They are stylish. They're simple, and they will pretty much go with everything. So don't mind my toes. My toes got messed up and I gotta get them done. But this is how it's looking on my feet. These are how they're looking. So these are the same ones in the color chalk. They are so pretty. I so love this color because I don't have too many sandals in this color. Again, the gold hardware. You see the Coach logo there. Let me show you the bottom. So they're dirty, but you can get an idea. And let me show you the bottom of the black, just so you can see. And the soles, see, they're cushiony soles. Now let me try them on for you. This is how it's looking. So those were the sandals, and guys, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Okay, so this is called the Coach Strawberry Coin Case, And when I saw this bag, I totally loved it. It's a tiny, tiny little bag. As you can see, this is the size of my hand. And you see it practically just fits in my hand. Lots of people want to know if you can fit a cell phone in it. I'm gonna do a what's in my bag, what fits in my bag separately for this video. But no, it can't fit mine. So I don't think you can fit any. Maybe if you had the old school flip phones, because they were kind of tiny, it could fit, but people don't have that nowadays. But unfortunately, this is sold out on the Coach website. You have to get it on the second-hand market, like Poshmark or Mercari, or let me tell you how I got it. First, when I ordered it, first of all, I wanted to order it on Coach. They were having a sale, and I'm like, I kept putting it off. I wasn't sure. I think it was as low as, if I'm not mistaken, it was as low as $38.99, but the original price was about a little over 100. And so I waited too long and they were sold out. Then Coach had another sale again and these popped up on the site. So I ordered it and I'm like, okay, good, I have it, it's coming. No, Coach canceled my order. I don't like when they do that, but they canceled the order. I don't understand like what was the problem, but when I wrote into customer service, they said that these were sold out. So I was like, ugh. And I was checking Poshmark and they wanted to raise the prices on this. Like people were really trying to get $200, $150, even $100. I didn't want to pay that much for it, but I love this so much. I used to have a tinier one from Forever 21 and I literally used to put my change in there. So I'm like, I wasn't sure. So I checked Amazon and lo and behold, Amazon had them. And I think I had a credit with Amazon or something like that. So I ended up getting this. It wasn't more than about $60. So I was like, okay, I'm not too upset about paying like a $20 markup. I mean, the original price was like 100 and something. The lowest that it went to was like 38 plus tax. It would have been like 40 something. So I was like, okay, I'm okay with paying 60 something because I had a credit. So yeah, so this is the Coach strawberry coin case. And I just have like a little bit of stuffing in there. This is what it's looking like on the inside. There are no pockets or anything like that. It has the Coach logo on it and it's hardware, gold hardware. It has the zipper here that you can go around. It's a strawberry, so it's green here. And then it has the chain that you can actually wear. That's what I like about it the most. And let me just show you now. You guys, I just did a swimwear haul, so that's why I have a swimsuit on and the swimsuit cover up. But I'm 5'3" for reference. And you see it comes up to like right here in my hip. So I think this is too cute. See, like that? It's really, really small. You can take the chain off if you want. You can take the chain off. I'm not gonna do that now, but you can take the chain off. What's cool about it is when you look at the hardware, it says Coach on the hardware. So they were really detailed with this. This is genuine leather, so that's what's good. It smells like leather. I love that fresh leather smell. And yeah, this is the Coach coin, strawberry coin case. I keep going back and forth saying strawberry coin purse, whatever. But this is it, and you can find it on Poshmark or anything. I'll try to leave some links if I can. I'll check Amazon to see if they still have another one on there. You can find it on Poshmark and eBay if you're willing to pay more. So guys, how you can get a discount on all these goodies. This is like an old Coach bag of mine. One of the first ones I got when I moved here, which I really, really love. This is sold out, but you can get it on the secondhand market. But I got these discounted in addition to whatever sales they were having because I have Rakuten. Rakuten is a rebate program. If you sign up, you just go on the website, you sign up. The wonderful thing about it is when you sign up and make a purchase, let's get this together because some people, they just don't get, I'm gonna say it 3 times. You have to sign up and make a purchase. Sign up and make a purchase. Sign up and make a purchase in order for you to get $30 and for me to get $30. Sometimes they even have times when they give $40 for when you sign up using my referral code. So you gotta just check it out. But either way, it's a great deal because think about it. They have rebates for the Coach store, Saks Fifth, Bergdorf, Bloomingdale's, Target. Not just the high end, they have Target, they have Macy's, they have even travel websites because I've used Rakuten for Expedia to book flights, to book hotels, all of that, and I get rebates back. Yes, they pay out every 3 months or so, but again, when you sign up using my code, we will both get $30 when you make a purchase, which means if today you felt like you wanted to order something from Target, just sign up for Rakuten, and then when you go on Rakuten, you're gonna see they have a link to shop at Target. It's gonna redirect you to Target. You make your purchase at Target or wherever you wanna make your purchase from the list of stores that they have, and then we will both get $30 or $40 depending on what the rebate is. Normally it's $30. But you have to make a purchase. There's some of my followers and some people who signed up. All they did was sign up. You're not gonna get the $30 if you just sign up. You have to sign up and make a purchase. The purchase could be $1. It could be $2. But we're both gonna get $30. So guys, sign up. My link to sign up so that we can both get this money is in the description. Thank you to all of you who have signed up using my referral code. That's easy money, guys. Easy money, easy money, easy money, and it will pile up if you're a person who shops online. They even have where you can shop in store. Because they have sent me links to say, okay, I noticed you shop here. We're gonna give you the link that if you shop in store, you'll still get the rebate. So guys, it's a win-win. I went on my trip to Syracuse and I used it. I used it for the hotel. I used it for my flight. I'm getting rebates back, okay? I used it for these shoes. I'm getting rebates back. When I bought my Gucci right here, I got a rebate back. And when you're buying designer, you know the stuff is not cheap. So if you're spending $500, $600, $1,000, it depends on what sales they're running at the time. You can get $50 back, $100 back off of designer, high priced items. So guys, sign up for Rakuten. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Kharyzma for You Style so you can see more of my style, how I style my outfits, all of that good stuff. Check out my website for lip gloss. The one that I'm wearing today is Princess Pink, kharyzmaforyou.com. Yeah, all the links will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all.